Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. In this video, we are going to discuss quadratic formula and nature of the roots. As we all know, the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Already we discussed one method to find out the solution of a quadratic equation, that is split in the middle term method. By using split in the middle term method, we know how to find out the value of x which satisfies this quadratic equation. Now we are going to derive one formula to find out the value of this x. That formula is called quadratic formula. For that, first we need to make the coefficient of x square 1. Here the coefficient of x square is a and we need to make it as 1. For that we are going to divide this equation throughout by a. We are going to divide this equation throughout by a. Then ax square by a, that is become x square, b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. Now we need to take the half of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is b by a and half of this, that is b by a divided by 2, and this we will get it as b by 2a. This is the half of the coefficient of x. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add b by a all square and subtract b by 2a all square. We are going to add b by 2a all square and subtract b by 2a all square. That is x square plus b by ax plus b by 2a all square minus b by 2a all square plus c by a is equal to 0. We just added b by 2a all square and subtracted that same quantity b by 2a all square. What is this b by 2a? That b by 2a is the half of the coefficient of x. Now just look at first three terms. That is actually x plus b by 2a all square. These first three terms, that is actually x plus b by 2a all square. Just expand it by using a plus b all square, then x square, b by 2a all square and 2 into x into b by 2a, right? That 2 get cancelled and we will get b by 2a into b by a into x. So the first three terms we can write it as x plus b by 2a all square minus, this is b square by 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. b square by 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. That is x plus b by 2a all square is equal to b square by 4a square minus c by a. b square by 4a square minus c by a we will get. Now I am going to take LCM in RHS. I am going to take LCM in RHS. Just take LCM in RHS. Then we will get x plus b by 2a all square is equal to, I need to make the denominator 4a square. In the first term I have 4a square, so b square minus, here we have a but we need to make it as 4a square. For that we need to multiply numerator and denominator by 4a, so 4ac. So what we got, b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Now square root, okay, bx plus b by 2a. Now we are going to take square root, that is x plus b by 2a is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square, and this is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by this 4, we can take it outside of the square root, then that is become 2, and we can take this a square outside of the square root, then that is become a. Okay, so we got plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, what will be our x? X is equal to, just take this term, minus b by 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now just look at that two terms. The denominator is same, that is 2a. So this we can write it as minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Okay, this is our quadratic formula. Then what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is our constant term. X is, if quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Now, nature of the roots is actually based on the value of this b square minus 4ac. Nature of the roots is based on the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, this b square minus 4ac, that is called discriminant. Okay, b square minus 4ac, that is called discriminant. Okay, now if this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if this b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then what will happen to our equation? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will have square root 0, then plus or minus, that also will give 0, and we will have x is equal to minus b by 2a. That means if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then 2 equal real roots we will have. Implies 2 equal real roots. Okay, 2 equal real roots we will have. And suppose this b square minus 4ac less than 0. That means if you have one negative value inside the square root. If you have one negative value inside the square root, do you know how to find out the square root of a negative number? Like square root minus 25. Okay, do you know how to find out the square root of a negative number? We do know how to find out the square root of a negative number. In that case, the conclusion is no real roots. No real roots. But in 11th standard onwards, you will study how to find out the square root of a negative number. But now we don't know how to find out the square root of a negative number. So our conclusion is no real roots. Okay. Now the third case is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then we will get two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots we will get. So the nature of the roots is based on the value of the discriminant, and if this discriminant is equal to 0, 2 equal real roots we will have. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots, and if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then 2 distinct real roots we will have. Then if our quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where this a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of x and c is our constant term. And this b square minus 4ac, that is called the discriminant, and if it is equal to 0, then 2 equal roots, and if it is less than 0, then no real roots. If it is greater than 0, then 2 distinct real roots we will have. Now we are going to do some problems based on this quadratic formula. We need to solve the following quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. First one, First one, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Just compare it with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we will get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7. A, that is the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. And b, that is the coefficient of x, and here it is minus 7. C is our constant term, that is equal to 3. So we will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 3. Now what we will do is, we will first find out the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, let it be d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is minus 7 all square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 49 minus 24. It is equal to 25, and it is greater than 0. This b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then what is our conclusion? We will have two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will have two distinct real roots. And that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our formula, and in this formula we are going to substitute the values. Minus b, okay, b is minus 7, then minus b become plus 7, plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, that value we know, that is 25, divided by 2 into 2, that is equal to 7 plus or minus 25, square root 25 is 5, divided by 4. 7 plus or minus 5 divided by 4 we got. That means x is equal to, we can take 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or x is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. We have plus or minus here. That means 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or 7 minus 5 divided by 4. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 we will cut it as 12. 12 by 4 is 3. That is x is equal to 3. And 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So we will get the roots as 3 and 1 by 2. So the roots are 3 and 1 by 2. Now second one. Second one. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Compare it with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 4. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to minus 4. Now capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. Right, that is 1 plus minus become plus. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 4, 32. This is equal to 33 we will get, and it is greater than 0. So our conclusion is two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots we will have, and that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is, the value of b is 1, so minus 1, plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac value 33 divided by 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 divided by 4. That means x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, comma, minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Okay, we don't know the value of root 33. That is, 33 is not a perfect square. So x is equal to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Third one. Third one. 4x square plus 4 root x for root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3, c is equal to 3. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Now d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 4 root 3 all square minus 4 into 4 into 3, that is equal to 4 root 3 all square, that we will cut it as 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3 minus 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is 16 into 3. What is this actually? That is 0. 16 into 3 minus 16 into 3. That is 0. If b square minus 4ac is 0, what is our conclusion? 2 equal real roots. 2 equal real roots we have, that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is equal to, the value of b is 4 root 3. So minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac is 0 divided by 2 into 4. 2 into 4. This is equal to minus 4 root 3 square root 0, 0. Then no need to consider that part. Divided by 4 into 2. This 4 get cancelled and we will get minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Since it is a quadratic equation, it should have 2 roots. If it is a quadratic equation, then all the quadratic equations will possess 2 roots. So here we got minus root 3 by 2. That means this minus root 3 by 2 repeats 2 times. That's why we are concluding if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, 2 equal real roots. That roots are minus root 3 comma minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. Next one. Fourth one. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x square plus x plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 4. D is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to b square is 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4, that is 1 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 4 32. So 1 minus 32 minus 31, it is less than 0. If discriminant less than 0, what is our conclusion? There is no real roots. So you no need to continue the calculation. You can conclude here itself, no real roots. There is no real solution for the quadratic equation 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now again by using this b square minus 4ac, we are going to do some more questions. That is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. That is our question. First we need to find out the nature of the roots. Then if the real roots exist, then we need to find out the roots also. First one. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Then b square minus 4ac, d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 all square minus 4 into 2 into 5. Minus 3 all square minus 4 into 2 into 5. That is 9 minus 40. That is equal to minus 31. It is less than 0. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, what is our conclusion? There is no roots. There is no real roots for the given quadratic equation. No real roots for the given quadratic equation. Now, second question. Second one. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4 root 3 and C is equal to 4. Then D equal to B square minus 4AC, that is equal to minus 4 root 3 all square minus 4 into 3 into 4. This we did already, that is 4 square is 16 into 3 minus 16 into 3 we will get, that is equal to 0. So if B square minus 4AC is equal to 0, what is our conclusion? The quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Already we did this one. In that case there is one difference. Instead of this minus 4 root 3, here we in that question we have plus 4 root 3. So 16 into 3 minus 16 into 3, that is become 0. Now we need to find out the solution, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is equal to minus b. So this minus 4 root 3, this part becomes 0 because this b square minus 4ac is 0, then square root 0, that is also 0, divided by 2 into 3. Okay, divided by 2 into 3, that is 2 and 4 we can cancel and we will have 2 here. 2 and 4 we can cancel and we will have 2 there, and minus minus become plus. So 2 root 3 by 3, or that we can write it as 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3. Cancelled. Then we will get 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Here the conclusion is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. We have two equal real roots, and that two equal real roots are 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. Next one. Two x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 6 and C is equal to 3. A is equal to 2, B equal to minus 6 and C equal to 3. Then D equal to B square minus 4AC, that is equal to minus 6 all square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 36 minus 24 equal to 12, and it is greater than 0. So the conclusion is distinct real roots we will have, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, that is equal to minus b. Already the value of b is minus 6, then minus 6 become plus 6 plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac value is 12 divided by 2 into 2, that is become 4, equal to 6 plus root 12 by 4 comma 6 minus root 12 by 4. 6 plus root 12 by 4 comma 6 minus root 12 by 4. You can simplify it and you will get it as 3 plus root 3 by 2. Because this root 12 we can write it as root of 4 into 3, right, divided by 4, and 6 minus root of 4 into 3 divided by 4, and the first one become 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4, and the second one becomes 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4 and 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. Now we can cancel 2 from numerator and 2 from denominator, and we will get it as 3 plus root 3 by 2 comma 3 minus root 3 by 2. So the roots are 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. Next one is find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal real roots. We need to find out the value of k, and it is given that for the given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Two equal real roots means the discriminant equal to 0. The first quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. It is given that for this quadratic equation has two equal real roots. If two equal real roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the discriminant equal to 0. By using this information, we are going to find out the value of k. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. Since it has two equal real roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And what is this b square minus 4ac? K square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. That is k square minus 24 is equal to 0. And k square is equal to 24. And k is equal to square root 24. And thus we can write it as square root 4 into 6. That is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. That is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Hence the required values of k are 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6. Next one. For this quadratic equation also, it is given that it has two equal real roots. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now just open this bracket, then kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 we will get. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 we will get. Then a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. A is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6 we will get. Now b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 0 because for this particular quadratic equation has two equal real roots. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is minus 2k all square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. That is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. We can take 4k outside, then in the first term k will remain and the second term 6 will remain. So we will get 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. That is 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Product of two numbers is equal to 0 means either the first number is equal to 0 or the second number is equal to 0. 4k equal to 0 implies we will get k equal to 0 and this k minus 6 is equal to 0 implies k equal to 6. The first one, it is not possible. If k is equal to 0, then the given equation is not a quadratic equation. So the first one is not possible. So the required value of k, that is 6. The required value of k, that is 6. K equal to 0 is not possible. If you put k is equal to 0 in this quadratic equation, then you will get 6 is equal to 0. That is not possible. 6 is not equal to 0. So k equal to 0 is not possible and the required value of k, that is equal to 6.